Hello. Today we'll look into anti-icing and de-icing of an aircraft in cold weather condition. Winter weather can be beautiful, but for aircraft, snow and ice pose serious risks. That's why de-icing and anti-icing are critical procedures to ensure safe flights during cold weather conditions. Before an aircraft can take off, it must be free of snow, ice, or frost. Even a thin layer of ice can disrupt airflow over the wings, reducing lift and increasing drag. This can compromise the safety and performance of the aircraft. De-icing is the first step. Specialized de-icing fluids, typically heated, are sprayed onto the aircraft surfaces to remove any snow, ice, or frost. These fluids are usually a mixture of water and glycol, which effectively melts ice and prevents it from reforming for a short period. Trained technicians operate de-icing equipment from trucks or boom lifts, ensuring every critical surface, wings, tail, and fuselage, is thoroughly treated. Safety and precision are paramount during this process. Once the aircraft is clean, the next step is anti-icing. Anti-icing fluids are applied to protect the aircraft from ice accumulation while it waits for takeoff. These fluids create a thin, protective layer that prevents ice from forming, even in freezing conditions. The type of fluid used depends on the outside air temperature and weather conditions. There are different categories of fluids, known as Type 1, 2, 3, and 4, each with specific properties and holdover times, the period during which the fluid remains effective. Pilots and ground crews work closely together to monitor weather conditions and ensure the aircraft is ready for departure. Timing is crucial, as the anti-icing fluid's effectiveness decreases over time. Once de-iced and anti-iced, the aircraft is cleared for takeoff. These procedures are essential for maintaining safety and ensuring smooth operations during winter months. De-icing and anti-icing are vital steps in aviation safety, allowing passengers and crew to travel safely, even in the harshest winter conditions. Thanks to these procedures, winter weather doesn't have to ground your flight. Safe travels, and thank you for flying with us.